What is going on, guys? I just built a personal assistant agent and it is insane. Now, if you're like me, you're a million miles an hour and, well, you just quite simply forget to do things. This one is for you. So here is what it's doing at a very high level. One, it's checking my emails and it's labeling them. It's putting them into a folder for me. Two, it then checks that folder to make sure that I'm replying to people when I should be replying to people. Three, it's then looking at any meetings that I've had and ensuring that I've done a follow-up based on that transcription that's coming in. And then lastly, it's then looking at all of my Slack conversations to understand if I haven't replied to anyone when I should. So here's how it basically works. We have two different agents, or multiple agents running, but two kind of different agentic workflows. The first one is what I call the email manager. And I've had this one for a while, but I've made it a little bit better. So first things first is anytime I get a new email, this agent is essentially going to go and read the email and start to categorize it into different kind of categorizations. So it'll have like an FYI label, to respond label, it's a marketing email, it's a cold email, it's a notification, whatever it is. How it's doing this is it's looking at the context of the email, obviously, and the content that it contains. It's looking to see if I've ever received an email from them in the past. It's also looking to see if I've ever sent them an email. It's also looking at unsubscribe links, all of that to then label certain things for me, where it then adds that label into it. And so this is awesome, just on its own, without anything here. It's just a great way to keep on top of your inbox. Now, the other one that we had was this actual personal assistant. And so here we're using 4 different agents doing various different things. So every day at 8 a.m., it's going to trigger. And what happens is, first of all, we have this email assistant. This email assistant is going to go and get any emails that we have from the key folders that have been tagged in the previous agent I showed you. So it's going to get any emails from my FYI and my to respond categories. It's going to then check to see if I've responded to people. It's going to check any unread messages and just generally understand, okay, hey, you need to reply to XYZ. And this is the priority of that replying. Then we're looking at this follow-up assistant. So here, it's going to find any meetings that I have had within the last 3 days, and then look up the transcripts inside of Fireflies, which is a cool recording software that I use, and then check to see if I've sent them any messages. If I haven't, it can help draft the email and whatnot, or it can just simply flag that I haven't sent a follow-up email based on that sales call or whatever it was. And then we go through into this Slack assistant agent. And so here it's basically checking to see if I've received any DMs. It's checking to see if I've received any messages and threads or whatever it is. And then basically creating an action plan if I need to reply to anyone from there. Lastly, we go through to what we call like the master orchestrator agent, which essentially takes all of the inputs from the previous steps and then basically compiles this into a lovely to-do list for me, where it then also stores the to-do list and also checks previous to-dos if I still haven't done something that I should have done yesterday and adds that on as well. And then sends me a Slack message. And so the example here is like how it comes across. I have my to-dos, I have the priority summaries, I have the immediate focus that I need to do in the next 30 minutes as well. And if I click into here, you can see I have the to-dos. So this one was from yesterday, my max to-dos, again, broken down lovely and neatly, where it's then emailing me as well as sending me a Slack notification. So this has already saved me. I've rolled this out the last couple of days, and it's already saved me, I would say, well, the fact is I wasn't actually actioning these tasks, right? So it's actually enabling me to reply to people faster. So does it save me time? Probably not, because it's actually giving me more stuff to do. But it's just organizing me. It's organizing my diary. Some iterations that I might do is it gives me a time estimate that it's going to take to achieve these tasks. I might even have it block out some time in the diary every day to go over those admin tasks as well.